everybody. Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about Gimme Glow, which I am totally excited about because it has been a very long time in the making of me planning on doing this, because I have so many Gimme Glow products, and I also will be talking about a few of the color Raine eyeshadows that I tried. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with me applying the makeup. Alright, so I am back. I had a very adventurous moment with my makeup. I had put on these eyelashes that my eyes weren't jiving with, and my eye all teary. And to make a long story short, I've applied eyelashes several times, and on the right side it's still not quite sticking, so I do apologize for anything that might look a little messed up on my face. Alright, so let's get started. I cannot wait to talk about this. The brand Gimme Glow is a brand that I came across, I want to say probably on Instagram. I absolutely love their foils. I have made comments about it in my previous videos. I purchased this empty palette. This is a magnetic palette. This is actually only $10. Supposedly it's supposed to be a defect. I don't see what's wrong with it. It closes, it works, so the way I see it, I scored me a deal, $10 for this super large palette. Normally I would not like palettes this large, but because it is a make your own palette, it definitely makes me happy to have it, just because I actually will be filling this up with all the wonderful colors that warmed my heart. So let me go ahead and open this up. I love this palette. I just love this palette. So I don't have all Gimme Glow yet. And I say yet because at some point I will have all Gimme Glow eyeshadows in here. And I'll take the other ones out and put them in their own palettes. But I have some Gimme Glow, I have colored Raine, I have some Clionata, and I have up here, which is probably going to fall off. I kind of glued it in. I glued it to a little piece of metal to magnify. This is a Kat Von D Iggy. I don't think she makes it anymore, but it is the green that I have not been able to find any other company, so I am holding on to it for dear life. Other than that, these are the colors that I have found so far. I'm obsessed with this company. So let me go ahead and do some swatches for you. And you don't even have to, it's like so soft. Let's do this one. Whoop. And this one. This color right here. This color right here. I actually have it on my lids. Hopefully, like I said, the glue and everything with my eyelashes probably jacked up my eyeshadow. But I think it did really well on my lids. This blue is amazing. Alright, so let me see. Whoop. And it just slides. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The pigment is insane. I don't know if you're going to see that pink. I forget what this is called. Princess. Either way though, all these eyeshadows, these fold eyeshadows are super shiny, super metallic, and they're super pigmented. So, like I said, I love this company. I just think that they're the best. I'll go ahead and swatch my fingers. So, along with that, I also tried Color Raine. I tried Color Raine's color Downtown. It's a copper. This is also very soft. Same idea. Ooh, it looks so pretty in the light. It just glides right on. This one actually is a little chunky. You have to kind of like, like rub it down a little bit, but this one just glides like just totally smooth right on. But both of them have the same color payoff, and they're both equally as shiny and make me happy. So, all right. The other color that I bought from them is Happy Days. It's all right. It's kind of like a duochrome. Well, it is a duochrome. I say kind of like just because like Clionata has the duochrome slash the shiny thing going on, and this is duochrome and it's kind of muted, which is good. It doesn't really give me the wow factor, but I mean, it's cool. I don't know if you're gonna see it in this lighting, but it has like a peachy pinky tone going on to it. Again, I like it. I'm just not like obsessed about it like I am with the foiled eyeshadow. So let's see what else. Is that pretty much it, I think? Yeah, I think so. I'll show you this one more time just because I am starting a absolutely beautiful collection. I cannot wait. I'm going to be doing, in fact, tomorrow I might do another video because I want to try out these blues and I want to mix them with the Clionata stainless, what was it? The stainless art collection? Yeah. They have some multi-chromes. I cannot wait to put on my lids. I am totally excited about that. Before I do go though, I wanted to also bring up this company, which I had mentioned this company in the past before. They're from the UK. This is Kaima Cosmetics. They're a smaller indie brand. I really like her eyeshadows. The one thing that you'll see here, those are extremely soft. So when I first got this palette, the eyeshadows kind of fell out. But otherwise, I mean, they're just super soft. And they're just super shiny. I mean, let me see. I'll try this gold here. And you barely have to tap it. And you get a lot of pigment, a lot of payoff. She's really into rose gold colors. Let me see here. See. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys are going to see that or not. Hopefully you do. This is like a peachy, pinky color. This is a gold. Both very beautiful. Again, Same as Gimme Glow and Colored Raine. They have an amazing metallic look to them. They are very soft and they are easy to apply and they're very pigmented. So I'm very excited about this brand too. I would like to see this brand get more colors in their eyeshadows because it's been, I think, a year since I did a video and she's still has a lot of rose gold, gold style burgundy colors. So if you're listening out there, I would love to see you explore a variety of colors that are out there. But otherwise, I love it. If she comes out more colors, I will definitely be buying from her again in the future. So, all right, that is it for today. I might be back tomorrow for the blues. If I'm not back tomorrow for the blue eyeshadow, I will definitely be back next week. So, all right, until next time.